Okay, now let us take another 2007 problem which says that in the binomial expansion of a minus b raised to power n, the sum of the fifth term t5 and t6 is equal to 0. Then you have to find the value of a by b. Okay, this is what you have to find. Now, first of all, let us try what is rh plus 1 term. Okay, this will be what? ncr a raised to power n minus r minus b raised to power r. So this is the n plus 1th term. This is basically this is how we find the rth term. Okay, so now what will be t5? Let's see. t5 will be equal to t4 plus 1. So that implies nc4 a raised to power n minus 4 into b raised to power 4, because minus b will get cancelled because of the even power. And what will be t6? t6 will be t5 plus 1, which will give you nc5 a raised to power n minus 5 into minus b raised to power 5 now. Okay, now you have to add them up. That implies nc4 into a raised to power n minus 4 b4 minus हो जाएगा. Why? Because it is minus over here, so that means it will be minus over here. So nc5 a raised to power n minus 5 b raised to power 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now let's take out the maximum common that is possible. So we can take how many common? A raised to power n minus 5 common and what? B raised to power 4 common. So the things that will be left inside is nc4 a here, and this will be nc5 b over here equal to 0. We know that a and b are not equal to 0, so that means this term cannot be equal to 0, because if a and b are 0, then the question becomes senseless, because 0 minus 0 is 0, and then there will be no fifth in the sixth term. So that means the remaining this term has to be 0. So that implies nc4a minus nc5b should be equal to 0. So if I write, this implies what? nc4 times a is equal to nc5 times b. So that implies a by b is equal to nc5 by nc4. So that implies, now it's a very easy question, everybody can see that. So nc5 upon nc4, that is what you have to calculate in order to find the value of a by b. So this is n factorial upon n minus 5 factorial by 5 factorial. nc4 will be n factorial into n minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. So n factorial and n factorial gets cancelled out. 4 factorial will be, this will be 5, and what we can get, this will get cancelled out with this, which n minus 5 only. So let's see, what you will get is, you will get so you will get n minus 4 by 5, because this term will get cancelled out with this one to give n minus 4 only. Okay, so that means n minus 4 by 5 is the answer, which is given in the option B. That implies B option was the correct one in the paper. So if you see, again, this was a standard problem. You don't have to do anything, you just required this formula to be used. So if you know this formula, this is an easy cake. I suppose you must have done these kind of questions in CBSE level as well. So this was an easy problem. I suppose every student would have been able to do this one. Okay.